Look at you, living again, not just gasping for breath. Look at you thriving, my friend, standing tall despite the storms that came against you. Yes, love, I mean you. Look at you shining again, glowing sweetly in the wake of God's glorious sun. Look at you falling in love again, rising each morning with a heart full of love for yourself and the world around you. I know it took a lot to get here, so go ahead and strut for me, mama. Let the world see your smile. Dance if you'd like, but please don't be shy, because your beauty deserves to be seen and your joy deserves to be loud.